Good boy. Good job, buddy. Yeah, where does Gussie want to go? Zip holes. Oh, goody. Oh, no. Why you want to stay in the arena? The arena is not where the fun is. What do you doodle? Mom, I like the arena. You like the arena today? Oh, now you want to step? Yeah, say morning, Julie. Good morning, Julie. Really? It's like, I don't want to leave the arena today, Mom. I'd rather walk in the arena. Oh, you want to try? You can. You can try it if you want to. It's up to you. You don't have to. I don't care, Gussie. You don't have to. We can just walk. I got no feelings about it. Okay? I'm just surprised you don't want to leave. That seems so interesting. Typically don't love being in this arena. You know? Good boy. Just talk. Good boy. Good job. Oh, goodness. Easy. Hey. Easy. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Easy. Good boy. Good boy. Easy. Easy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Easy. Good. Good job. I was not ready for that. Good boy. That's fine. Good job. Wonky doodle. And push. There you go. Just walk. Good boy. Well, we don't need to walk up behind. We don't need to do that. He's like, I want to sniff his butt. You're so dramatic, sir. Just walk. Walk. Good boy. Good job. Good boy. Yeah. Mom, we're just walking. Where are you taking me? Mom, I don't know. I don't know where I'm taking you. I not usually go over here. Walk. Walk. Easy. Good boy. Good job, bud. Oh, Mom, there's grass here. I eat this grass. I take some nibbles. Good boy. Yeah. He decided he wanted to canter bareback today. I was not prepared, but I did it. And he was great. And then he decided he was ready to leave. So I think Gussie really wanted to canter in the arena. Just a few steps, and then he was fine. And now we're here. Ooh, and we're going. Where are we going now? Huh? Where are we off to now? Oh, hi, Zippy. Come on this front, will yell at me. But he will squeal. Told ya. Ooh, where are we going? Over to this grass. Back there. Good boy. Oh, you want a snack? Hold, please. I know I have one. Here. There you go. So people often ask why I grab Maine while I'm allowing him to do this. There's a lot of things around that could like come up behind him and maybe scare him. And if that happens, I am already holding myself on something. So this helps kind of keep me steady and prevents me from going off. And it also prevents me from like snatching on his face, which could make things worse. I don't need to balance on his face. If I typically just hold his mane, that allows me to balance on his body really well. So that is why you will watch me grab his mane more than you will watch me hold his reins. I don't see the people walking for reasons like that. He's facing it, but yeah. Is that someone walking with their baby? Good boy. Good job. Oh yeah, you see the dogs? Oh, Mom, there's dogs. Good morning. Good boy.
So we always have a lot of delays on our walks.
Yes.
That's not advice. We don't work with horses.
He's like, it's a big dog. Actually, it's real big. Good job handling the doggies. That was great. Oh, we're not going into Harper's yard. That's very cute. Is that a jump pole? Here's your chairs. You see the dogs again? Oh, yes. Say, Mom, I'm being the best boy. Here. Yeah, I do have. Good job. We want to follow the doggies? That's fine. Oh, want to go back to the arena to get your stuff? Well, we started in this other arena. Okay. Mom, but there's a mounting block right here. And I want to be done. Touch.